and the premium mock exams package, and we have a mock exam package. So we have the same method for all other courses. I'll go to first one, the API 510 Pressure Vessel Inspector. This is our full course, and let's see what is it in there. So this course is worth $499. It is 60 CPD credit hours. So even if you are a API authorized inspector from Jan 2022, you're required to do some CPD credit hours if you want to renew your certificate. So this course is 192 lectures, and it has 8 hours of video, 3,500 flashcards, and 1,300 questions. And you can pass first time, I hope so. And for any reason whatsoever, even if it's your fault or you couldn't attend even the exam, just write to us, and we will renew it for another 4 months for free. So this course has online access 24/7 with online support through WhatsApp for any problem, general queries, technical queries, or any IT and access problem, or any part of question you didn't understand. You can always ask us, and we shall normally get back to you with less than a day, or if it is during working hours, almost immediately. So we have explained what each module consists. Say here, the module 1 explains the study plan and the basics and guide you through document navigation. It explains body of knowledge. Module 2 and module 3 through 10 is covers all the publication effectivity sheet and body of knowledge. And we have added recently the publication effectivity sheet highlights exactly, so you know where all these modules are coming from. And then we have 24 sets of flashcards plus 850 questions within 5 sets of closed and open book. So if you go to course content, you can see that the module 1, what it consists, this is free for all. So you can study our first and second module, and by our benchmark quiz for free. The module 2 also the body of knowledge and scoring area and benchmark quiz. We have here, which is free. And then because it's a database, you have to keep pressing this so to see more modules. I've already opened this here so I can show you much quicker. So module 3 takes care of all the NDT, MTPT, RT, UT thickness measurement, and all the modules have a video. So if you're on the run, you can listen to them. And all the modules have a flashcard as well. And say here, module 4, we have ASME section 9, welding engineering. That includes procedure, qualification materials, and PowerPoint presentation and flashcards and mock practice questions. Module 5, we have welding inspection, welding process inspection, visual inspection, weld defects and repairs, and then we have flashcards and practice questions. On module 6, we have damage mechanism. Normally, the depth of our modules are commensurate with the number of questions come, but we have made an exception here for 571 damage mechanism and corrosion because many people have difficulties. And we have extensively put flashcards and practice questions, so we make sure that you guys are, fully competent and can answer all the questions that's necessary. So, and we have 5 sets of flashcards here. In Module 7, we have ASME 8, pressure vessel construction code, by topics, and then by part number of ASME, section 8. And then the flashcards, 2 sets, and 572 is inspection practice. And Module 9, 510, pressure vessel inspection code. This is very much in detail. Remember that inspection practice is the methodology, 572, and 510 is the inspection code, do's and don'ts. So you can find a lot of similarity between these 2 documents. These 2 documents practically constitute 45 to 50% of the questions. So you have to read all this very thoroughly. And lastly, we have pressure relieving devices and positive material identification, 576 and 578. So as you can see, this is a small module because you will have around 4 or 5 questions from each recommended practice. So that is sufficient enough for you to cover and answer the question. And then we have all the highlights of the publication effective sheet or body of knowledge here. As you can see, there are 63 parts, and we put all the potential questions. So all these flashcards are potential exam question. Obviously, you need to read the codes itself and start working with them so you can understand how to use the codes and recommended practices during the open book. And then we have a benchmark quiz. As you can see, we put them back again. All the practice question on NDE, on damage mechanism, on welding inspection, on welding engineering, ASME section 8, pressure vessel construction code, inspection code 572, inspection practice 510, inspection code, and so you can see that. So in total, as I said, you shall have on this full course 8 hours of video, 192 lectures, 3,500 flashcards, and 1,300 questions. And we believe this is for 60 CPD credit hours, and we believe you can complete this course within 60 to 80 hours. Now, if I go to all the courses to compare this course with its counterpart, here, so we browse all the courses here. You can see that you have an option of 3. So the first one is the full course that I just explained. The second one is a premium mock exam package, which is $299. It's cheaper, and then mock exam package, which is $199. Now, the difference between them is that this is the actual course, complete with flashcards, practice questions, and publication effective sheet. This does not include the course, so the premium mock exam package, it only includes everything this has minus the actual course explanation. And the mock exam pack plus the publication effective sheet, this one is also has all the flashcards and practice question minus the publication effective sheet, the mock exam package. So if you can come here, if you go here, the premium mock exam package, you can see that it has all the practice questions. And if I go to course overview, you can see that it has 114 lectures, 3,500 flashcards, and 1,300 questions. So the number of lectures is reduced because the courses are not there, but it's got the publication effective sheet highlights, and it's got all the flashcards and practice questions. And now if I go back to mock exam package for pressure vessel, which is the cheapest package, it has all the flashcards and practice question minus the publication effectivity sheet highlights. Okay. So it's got 51 lectures, 850 flashcards, and 1300 questions. The difference in flashcards are the publication effectivity sheet. So it's got all the highlights of the full course. So in case you can understand and interpret codes and recommended practices, you can buy our mock exam package or our premium mock exam package. And if you want to study all the codes and recommended practices that are brought in within the context of the API 510 exam in a very simple language, easy to understand, then it's our full course. I always suggest that you study our full course. You don't want to leave anything to risk. So this has a 4 months, the full course, 24/7 access, which is more than 16 weeks. API 510 premium mock exam package has a 12 weeks access, and API 510 has a 8-week access. And then our full course has the advantage of, for any reason you could not attend, you're sick, you failed, you didn't study, we will renew it for another 4 months for you, free of charge. You can always, if you're in doubt, you can buy any of these courses, premium mock exam package or mock exam package, and if you think you would like to upgrade, you can just write to us and pay the difference only. So for example, if you buy a premium mock exam package for $299, you can always write to us and we and pay the difference. That's another $200, and we will upgrade you to the full course. So as you can see here, we have courses. So let's see what we have in our website, what courses we offer for API individual certification program. I would go through them briefly, and but then through the separate video recordings